Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today on this episode of Glowforge to the Point, we are going to be showing you how to set focus and print your design now that you know how to create a design, upload it, and change the settings to it. So just like in the previous video, we have our settings for our maple with an MDF core from Menards. We got 1000 speed full power for the engrave and 130 speed full power for the cut. All you're going to have to do is click these three dots in the top right here. Click Set Focus, and then you'll see these angled squares here. You're going to click anywhere on your material. I always like to click right where my engrave or cut is going to be. That's going to focus the head. You'll see focusing in the top right here. Your laser head will actually shift over, focus onto your wood or material. This may take a little bit for it to focus. And I'll go ahead and fast forward here when it's done. Alright you guys, as you can see the focus is done and it now says ready, so that means it's ready to print. Focusing can take a short amount of time or it can take a long amount of time depending on how much design space is on your material here. One other thing that you want to make sure of before you print is make sure your design is within this gray area. This is your actual cutting area, anything within the gray lines. If it's overlapping that gray area just a little bit like that, it's going to gray out. It's not going to let you print that design. So ensure that you're in the cutting area and not touching the actual gray parts. So now that we have that set focus set, what that did is that actually measured the height of your autofocus. That is super important. It should do it automatically, but it's always nice to set it manually. That way you can ensure that it hits your material. As long as it hits the material, it should set that focus height for you. Now you're ready to print. All you got to do is hit print, and then this will prepare your print. If you have premium, it'll say that you're in the fast lane and it's processing your print faster. And that's it. There you go. It's ready to print now. Says it's going to take 1 minute and 52 seconds to print this design, and then you'll have a big flashing light on your Glowforge machine at this point, and all you have to do is click that big flashing light and your design will actually cut and print out, and you've officially printed off your first ever design. So I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.